Today we have a 2007 Doosan Lynx 220A with a Fanuc 0iTC control, 6-inch chuck, tool setter, chip conveyor, and a 12-position turret. We're going to run a short program and then we'll run it manually as well. It's running at 2,000 actually RPM right there. Now 1,200. See, told you it was short. Okay, now we'll run it manually. We're gonna, there's the Z-axis, sounds good. X. Do turret index. The machine will come with all the turret tooling you see currently mounted. I'm gonna run the spindle. All right. (1500 RPM). That's 2,500 RPM. That's 3,000 RPM. Spindle's nice and quiet. All right. You can inspect this machine under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching the video.